Hello everyone, welcome back to multiplication series. So today we will be learning how to multiply any 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. So if you remember in our previous video, we understood how to multiply any 2-digit by a 2-digit number. So we followed the pattern I cross I. Alright. So for 3D by 3D multiplication also we will follow a similar pattern. So let's see what is the pattern. So first pattern is multiply these two. And second pattern is multiply these two. This is your step number 2. Step number 3 will be, since it's a 3-digit number, so we will multiply the extreme digits and the center one. Okay. Now you have to repeat the same pattern what is here. So here the fourth step will be multiply these two. Now here multiply these two. This is your step number 5. So if you see the difference between these two, 2D by 2D and 3D by 3D is, in 2D by 2D you have two designs, right? One is I and the other one is X. And in 3D by 3D you have 3 designs because it's a 3-digit number, right? After the third step you can see the pattern is repeating. Alright, so let's see how do we use this pattern to multiply 3-digit numbers. Now let's multiply 321 by 134. Now first time I will be writing each and every step so that you understand the concept, and then slowly we will work on the speed. Okay, so first step is you have to multiply these two digits. So 4 ones is 4, right? Now second is you have to follow this cross. So multiply in cross. So 2 fours is 8 and 3 ones is 3. So after adding these two you get 11. So write 11 like this. 1 is your carry forward. Okay. Now step number 3. You have to multiply in cross and the middle one, right? So 3 fours is 12 and 1 ones is 1 and 2 threes is 6. So after adding these you will get 19. Now 19 plus carry forward is 20, right? So you will write here 20 like this. Now in case if you get confused like which pattern you calculated right now, so you can just count the number of digits here, like 1, 2, 3. I have written 3 digits, right? It means I am done with 3 steps. So I have to do the fourth one now, which is again cross. Okay. So 3 multiply 3 is 9 and 1 into 2 is 2. So this will be 11. Now 11 plus carry forward, which is 2, will give you 13. So you write 13 here like this. And the last one is multiply the tens place digit. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. So your answer is 43,014. So let's do one more question, and this time let's work on the speed. Now let's multiply 435 by 216. So first step is I. So 5 6 are 30. Second step is cross. So 3 6 are 18 and 1 5 are 5, which is 23. Now 23 plus 3 is 26. Now third step is star. So 4 6 are 24, 2 5s are 10 and 3 ones are 3, which is 37. 37 plus 2 is 39. So 3 steps are done. So now fourth step, which is cross. So 4 ones are 4 and 2 threes are 6, which is 10. Now 10 plus 3 is 13. Now last step, 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 93,960 is your answer. Now you must be thinking that this method is a little complicated, but that's very normal, because tell me one thing, the conventional method, the normal method which you use in schools, so from how many years you are using that method? From so many years, right? So you are used to of that method. But trust me, if you practice this trick is way faster than the normal method. You can see that we are just writing the answers, right? Only see all these steps you can do in your mind.
In the beginning, maybe you will write and do, but as you practice these questions, you can do all these calculations in mind, and you have to lift your pen just to write the final answer. So let's work on that. Now let's multiply 361 by 524. Okay, so 4 ones is 4. Now 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. So 2 is your carry forward. Okay, now third step. 3 4s are 12, and this is 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 12 is 29. 29 plus 2 is 31. So 3 is your carry forward now, right? Now 3 2s are 6, and this is 30. So 36 plus 3 is 39. Again 3 is the carry forward. Now 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. So this is your answer. So you can see that we have not done any working. We have done everything mentally and we got the answer. So this method really works. It's very fast. So try these questions. Only you have to remember the pattern, which is I cross star. It's a 3-digit number, so 3 designs are there. Now repeat the same pattern, which is cross and I. Okay, just remember here, this I is for multiplication of 1 digit by 1 digit. Here we have taken ones and tens digit, but here we have taken the tens and the 100 digit, and here we are multiplying the 100 digits. Okay, so keep practicing these tricks and you won't be very far from becoming a human calculator. So that's it for today. See you very soon in the next video, which will be on 4D multiplication. So until then, goodbye, take care.